What? We're in a hurry. We got Isaac. We're going to hope so.
The hope so that's what you guys are hurry?
Yeah, we're in a hurry.
What time is it?
Give us a...
Maybe after minutes. Maybe he's gonna be. Thanks for joining me, guys. We are just heading to Hope Center to meet Isaac.
Wow, you go way faster pedaling. Holy crap, you move when you pedal. You go way fast. You were going 37 pedaling. That's fast, way faster. You only go about 28 when you full throttle. There's Isaac. There's Isaac. Hey, Joe. Hey, hey. Good. So nice out. Yeah. All right. I might have to come with you.
No, I done it last night.
Oh, okay. What? Just tell them we're all at the gazebo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. All right. No, I'll get mine.
We need her.
Oh, yeah, one for Tammy, too, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why he was getting 4. I didn't realize he was grabbing one for my wife. Thanks. Beautiful day out. One for me and him. You want a drink?
Yes.
You're the best. Thank you. Yeah. Can I get a drink for him? Awesome. Thank you so much. Here you go, buddy.
What are you up to today?
Just riding around. It's such a nice day. I'm waiting for a text. I got to go out to pick up smokes from John's, my buddy John's. Well, I get him to hold on to them for me so that I don't smoke as much. Otherwise, I'll... Hi, Cindy. I got my helmet. Wearing my helmet. That'd be cool. Yeah. What's that? Okay.
Lab grown meat, delicious.
Mmm. Thanks. Hey, we could sit.
I was gonna sit on my scooter. I think I still might.
That's dry. You're good there. Hey, let's smoke a joint first.
Enjoy.
This your lighter?
Fuck you, I got Cheetos, hell yeah. Never mind, I lost my Cheetos.
Run off.
Run away Cheetos. If it's just bread and butter, do you want to trade?
No, it looks like a sandwich. How thick is it?
Where's the sandwich?
Inside.
All I see is
Open it up.
bread.
Open it up.
I know I'm not supposed to complain because it's free, but like.
No, there's stuff in there.
Yeah,
There's stuff in there.
Oh, okay. It was
I don't
just-
need a whole lot. If you want mine too.
No, it's okay.
You want mine? Or save it for Tammy?
Yeah, sure.
Let's save it for Tammy then. She'll like it.
I really hope Chris
Want
shows
chips?
up. I called him a twink the
I'll
other day.
take
He
them.
got mad.
Does he even know what that means?
Oh shit! Look who's at the hospital. No fucking way.
That's
Yo,
cool.
can we see it?
Yeah? No, we could go over there. Yeah, well, me and him filmed one right from where about that blue truck is.
Are we actually allowed to?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck it, let's go. When?
Keep in mind, you don't know when he's taking off. He might be
I
there
know.
for an hour.
That's
Maybe
what
two.
I'm saying. I don't care if it's gonna take all day. I'll sit here. I got smoke.
It is really cool.
My phone's
It's
charged.
fucking loud as
In
crazy
London,
loud.
Ontario, when I used to live in London,
Nick, I'm gonna throw this in the bag. Thanks. Well, eat and smoke, and we'll go hang out over there. We can go over there and look at it. They're not gonna give a shit. We just can't get too close.
Can I talk? I was gonna say.
You could talk to the guy if he's not doing anything. Talk to him. Say hi.
Hey, can I sit in the cockpit?
No, they will not.
My Xbox friends will kill me.
Isn't that cool though? Big fucking helicopter.
Since when did they start adding black to the back of them? Though? I thought they were all orange.
Uh,
I never seen them.
I think it's a new company.
They were
I think
bought out. You're
yeah,
right. They
or
were.
Orange got. Well, I
You're
think
right.
there was charges. I think the owner went to jail.
For what?
Fraud. He was taking government money to do.
Well, I thought you would too. I mean, think about it. Just from hospital to hospital, even if from here to St. Catharines.
No, they do more than
$1,500.
that. They'll go out to like accident scenes
Yeah,
and
but
land on the
even if-
highway.
Even if it's just from here to St. Catharines,
Mhm.
$1,500. Which, if it's hospital to hospital, you don't have to pay for. But
Yeah, he already had some.
Oh, you already had them, right?
where have you been?
Just take some.
But
Yeah, I think we should go over there. Eat.
if it's hospital from hospital, it's they cover it. But if they pick you up at, like, let's say your house or the accident,
Mhm.
yeah, you have to pay that. You're fucked. 'Cause it's
So the moral of the story is don't get sick in Ontario.
in Canada. He's starting.
He's starting quick. Everybody, pack up.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
We're gonna go watch a helicopter take off, guys. How cool is that, guys? It's the air. Isn't that amazing?
I've never been this close.
Mm-hmm. They're trying to take off. Don't wave. They don't have time to wave.
That's awesome.
Isn't that amazing?
That's
I'll see you later. He's taking off. Hey, wait. We got a wave. That's awesome. No, they're taking off. I'll be honest, I've never been this close to a taking off airport either. How cool was that?
We got fucking
That was
lucky.
awesome.
Wow.
Good timing too.
That's so cool. I even got some
Look how
waving.
so.
No, that's because of that. Looks like your camera shutter speed is. That's why it does that. Cool, eh?
Yeah.
There's a way on cameras you can adjust
know,
it so it
If the
looks like they stay still.
Or if they're spinning at a specific
Yeah.
RPM, it'll look like that automatically.
We better get out of here. That was fucking awesome. Here, have some of this before that security guy comes. That was awesome.
Watching the chopper take off.
When it comes in, it's even fucking cooler because it blows
Even louder.
everything that's loose.
Even
Those
louder.
cones, all those cones get blown away.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
The pilots are probably like, are we being attacked? Like, are we being hijacked?
No, they see a lot of that. Everywhere they go, people like seeing choppers.
They always
Look how
fly
far
back
away he
and
is. He's
forth.
like 20 miles away.
Oh, he'll be in Hamilton in like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
He's already in fucking Ainfleet.
Here.
Those choppers go like
Hey, can I
180.
have a smoke for me, Isaac? If you have been.
Hey, speaking of which, I gotta go. I gotta call John.
You can still hear it too. That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Sorry. Now just watch like another one pull in. Like,
That would be cool.
That
Yeah,
would be
get
the
it on
coolest thing
camera
ever.
too.
That would be the coolest thing ever. Oh man, that was awesome. I wasn't expecting that today.
Yeah.
Neither was I.
Hey, John, can I come over and grab a couple packs?
As soon as I heard the engines wind up, I'm like, okay, we got to go now, because he's gonna take off. And I was like,
I'm just over by the hospital, so I could be there in like literally like 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
which John?
Scapliato.
From Coffee Club.
Guitar John. He's all right.
Yeah.
He's a little weird. You never know quite what he's thinking. Like just by looking at him.
I thought you meant the other John. I forget his
Bring.
last name, but
I'm surprised that didn't show up on your flight thing.
they turned their transponder off. You can only see where they get off from. You can't see where they're headed.
I wonder why that is. That's weird, eh?
Actually, let me check.
That's really weird.
They did it.
They usually turned off the transponder. Okay, so not available to not available. 1,825 feet, cruising at 100.
Oh, that's cool. So it's like a secret flight. Oh crap! What a catch!
Well,
That was fucking awesome.
If you were being airlifted
I pinched
from an
the joint,
accident,
it
do you
fucking
really
did
want
two
the
flip-
reporters to know where you're headed?
He caught it like that.
But do you want people
No.
to know where
Like,
you're headed?
basically like
No.
that.
I'd want.
No,
that.
you caught it between your fingers.
No, like
That was a good catch.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going to Toronto from that angle. Unless he's just
No, I think he's picking up some.
that's what they just did. That they don't drop people off here. They only pick people up. Why would they airlift somebody here?
Yeah, they left him to Hamilton, to Toronto.
Maybe they'll take them to St. Catharines from here. I've seen that a couple times. If there's no ambulances, if there's no ambulances and the helicopter's already here, they'll make that choice.
I wonder why that cop was at Uh-oh. I wonder why that cop was at Hope Center. Did you see him parked?
I didn't.
Yeah, when we came in, there was one parked on the other side, by the food bank side.
Oh, fucking right, man. I wasn't expecting that at all.
No. Where to now, guys? We should move from here. I bet you they're not too pleased about us hanging out smoking dope in their parking lot.
Yeah, let's keep going.
Want to go see Bruno?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be pedaling assist all the time. That is way faster. Probably save a lot of battery too. I'm going over the hill. You're a hill man. Uh-oh. Be careful. He might not even be home.
Yeah, he is.
Nick.
Yeah.
He's still asleep, man.
Check out what I did to this.
What?
What?
Are you calling him? You knocked and he didn't answer, and you're gonna call him. He doesn't want to talk to you. If I knocked and he didn't answer, that would tell me he doesn't want to talk to me, so I wouldn't bother calling him. What? That doesn't make sense to you? Your little brain can't figure that out. He's not answering you. He doesn't want to talk to you.
You may never know.
I know. Okay, yeah.
Sometimes he usually does.
Nick doesn't get the hint, goes knocks on his window. Tuk, 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 yay! Flat out gets told, look, I don't want to talk right now. But still doesn't believe it. No, no.
Hey, Dad.
I'm not gonna lie. I would prefer this kind of backyard,
Little low maintenance.
right?
Well, less trash, but yeah. This is a good backyard.
Alright, yeah. Alright. Or he's could not be home.
That's what I said the first fucking thing we came up. Maybe he's not home.
If I get the scooters here.
So then he doesn't want to talk to us. Look, it's just so baffling to him. He just can't get around the logic that someone might not want to fucking talk to him. I don't get it. Why? What did I do? It's nothing about you.
Nobody will answer for me.
Yeah, I know, until you said what you said last night.
Wait, what do you think?
But whatever it is, he doesn't want to talk to him now. All right, where to now, Nick?
I go to your house?
Yeah, if you want. We'll go hang out, burn one. My place? You could charge up.
That far.
Well, let's get to farmer's market at least. Can you get to farmer's market, you think?
Let's try. See if
I'm gonna skate park.
he can.
Can you charge there?
No, but I gotta go home soon anyway.
Oh, okay.
Like the next half hour.
Okay. Skate park.
What?
Skate park.
Damn it, Nick.
Nick ran into the cop car.
How fucking retarded is that?
What?
30 minutes of charge time?
And it's dead?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's not good. We need to get you a new battery. A fresh one.
I know, right?
What's up? Should I try to do a trick?
No, it'll roll it or something. Can you imagine?
They fucking done it now, bud.
Should I make it up there, or am I gonna like scrape the bottom of the scooter?
I don't know.
Alright, like,
Oh my lord.
alright, I got it.
He's got an idea. You'd have to take a run at it. Almost.
Hey, I would love to see you try crawling up that.
Yeah, that's tough. It's slippery, eh?
That was yours.
You gotta back up and give it gas. I'm not trying. I don't want to die. What? Yeah.
Is it actually sliding a bit?
A little.
I felt it. Oh, we gotta go.
Sometimes it says it's out of fucking power. It's
Mm.
not.
Why'd you drop your keys?
He got slippery fingers.
I was sliding.
It span a little there. We need to get a bunch of those 50-gallon blue bins. You know those 50-gallon drums? Make pontoons floated on the canal. Make
With
a little
this?
make a little pontoon boat under there so
That'd
that,
be pretty fun.
so that it can float. Then just attach a little electric motor on the back, a trolling motor. And fucking
No, or switch out the tires for just the back tires.
either or, but it would be still pretty funny. Because they say you can't have nothing on there, right? Nothing electric, nothing powered. But you can have electric. Make an electric boat out of your cart. They can't stop you then.
That'd be cool.
It's still not a motored one.
That would be pretty cool. I don't know, I think I want to take it out again.
Oh my god.
So we spin out a little bit there.
Yeah.
Try and come up this. See if that will make it like this.
That's not as high as that. It would make it up this.
Hey Dwayne,
Yeah.
imagine
Going
if
off
I
that.
could fucking make it up that no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking throwing it pretty good. Oh, you're almost bottoming out there.
Almost. Yeah, it wouldn't make it up that other one. You'd bottom out on that one. That one's
Yeah,
I
smaller.
was thinking, yeah. So I was surprised I didn't bottom out on that one.
I know.
How close was I?
It was close.
Like within an inch?
Not a little more than that, but still, it was
No.
close.
It was
About that?
The pucker your
Left.
About that?
half an inch.
Wow.
Yeah, not even.
Yeah, see, I want to raise it like at least half a foot. At least half a foot.
Yeah, so put bigger tires on. Same
There you
size
go.
tires, just bigger. So instead of that scooter tires, put on buggy tires
Tire.
or off-road tires. Anything that'll fit. Anything that'll fit that rim. Or
ATV, yes.
the good thing is once you take those fairings out, you got more than enough room for any size tires you want on there.
We gotta talk to Steve about off-road tires. He knows all about that shit. He'll know which ones to get. Yeah.
No. Off-road tires has the small rim but a little bit bigger tire.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you wanted, right?
I want more clearance, more traction. I was sliding in that mud, dude. That's pretty sad.
Well, that's not meant to be sliding around in mud.
Well, I know.
It's meant to give you a grip on stuff like this.
No, and mud. But
I'm gonna whip over to Doug's
which sucks.
on Dorothy.
Oh, alright.
I'll see you guys later. Let me know what you guys are doing there.
Towards that way.
Okay.
After ride.
All right.
You guys
I'll
know
see you.
what-
I'll see you at my place then.
Yeah.
Eventually.
So I'll see you guys at the church.
Yeah. We'll make sure we show up a little early. We'll smoke one. All right. See you guys. Doug! Doug! Hey. Thought you might want to burn one.
Okay.
How's Bear doing?
Good. Nice to meet you anyway,
You got a light?
Yeah.
I got one. Oh no, I don't. Hi, Simon. Hey, Bear.
Cool, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
How fast does thing go?
Pretty fast.
You wearing a helmet today?
Oh yeah, I try to remember to wear one every day when I go out. Sometimes I forget, but usually you know what I hear? I hear my friends' voices. Dwayne, why aren't you wearing your helmet? So that's when I know I helps me remember. I hear Michelle, I hear Cindy, I hear Ada, all the people that care. Tammy, make sure you wear your helmet. It just looks like a souped up mountain bike, eh?
You fuel it on hydro or water or gas?
Just electrical. Electric. If I had some place to lock it up outside, I have this fender. It's got a natural bumper on it too. But it looks all right like that. You been out today? No.
Hope you're wearing gloves.
Yeah, I've got gloves. It's getting almost late enough that I won't ride it much more.
Right.
The cold will start affecting the batteries. As long as it's above 0, I can ride it. And I don't really ride it too fast now. I only did it a couple times just to see how good it'll work. I generally ride it as fast as who I'm with.
Down the hill in the canal.
Yeah, I took it off-roading on the island. You know, those lower trails. And I wiped out once on it. Yeah. But I was going really slow. I was just turning and it jammed me the wheel jammed in, and it put me down.
Okay. You can't charge the battery won't charge with pedal. You got to plug it in.
Yeah, yeah. That's a good idea, though. They should make a bike where if you're using pedal, it charges it. My friend has a bike, and he's just realizing if he actually pedals, he'll go faster than if he just uses throttle, right? If he just uses throttle, he does like 28, 29. But if he pedals with pedal assist, he'll do like almost 60. All right, you can pinch that and save it for later.
Okay.
I'm gonna get going.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I needed some smokes. Yes, please do. Bring some smokes. All right, see you, buddy. Yeah, I generally don't like going on sidewalks, but if I do have to, I will go very, very, very slow. I learned my lesson. I have a cool video where I face planted because I was riding on the sidewalk and I was riding fast. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out. Short video, I know, but I hope you had fun. See you on the next one.